So I thought I'd show you a little sneak peek into Project Darkstar, which is going to be an open source library to allow users to create apps that'll communicate with the tower from Return to Dark Tower. So here we have the web page, and I'm going to turn this on. The tower is now waiting for a connection. I'm going to use the web page, and I will use Chrome, and it will connect. And we are now connected to the tower. Now, a lot of times when you run the official app and load the game, it'll want to connect and then calibrate. Well, you could do that too now. Calibration is basically setting all the glyphs to a known location, not glyphs, but the drums to a known orientation. That's how it knows north, east, south, and west, and what is displayed in each one. We can also do things like play sounds. So let's go and select a sound. We'll do classic bizarre because I love that sound. Haha. You see, you have all the sounds from the game, that the tower stores, and all these are seen in the official app. We can have the tower do some angry strobe if we want. See, it's doing the strobe. That's one type of override that it has. If we want to, we can turn lights on and off. I want to turn the door on, the top, middle. Let's say I want the bottom one to be a breathing effect. And then you notice the bottom one's breathing. I want to set the ledge, which is going to be this right here. That's a ledge. Oh, it's that one over there. Now it's breathing too because I have breathing set. If I wanted to do the other ledge, which I believe is the west ledge. No, I'm sorry, it's the east one. There we go. Now it's on. You see how they're different? We want to set the base north. I'll be on this side. Right there, there's the front, and it has a front and back. Let's say that we want to, let's turn them all off here that we just turned on. Actually, we'd unclick them that way. And that's one way. We want to rotate the drums. You want want to see the quest. Let's turn the doorway on for quest. Not the doorway. The doorway. What am I saying? I turn this on, north. And let's change that to the quest. And there's the quest. I had to apply that again to that. It's a work in process. It's alpha state. It's pretty much feature complete. I just have to go and work on some of the minor things in there, but everything is here. And you might also notice up in this corner, Ultimate Dark Tower game? Really? Maybe something else is going to be coming with it. But that's all for now. Hope you're excited as I am. A new era of homebrew for the Return to Dark Tower game is about to start. See ya.